Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram repost button is missing. If you're using Instagram and your repost button is missing, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to simply open up your Instagram app, and here you can see that there is no any repost option in this post. So let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So you have to go ahead to your app store or Google Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. So just search for that. Once you have to make sure that there is no any update available for the Instagram app. Once you have updated your app, you have to reopen the Instagram app, and here you have to make sure that your repost button is enabled. So once you have updated your app, so it might be your problem will be fixed. But if you're still having the same issue, so you have to check that if the repost button is missing for any specific post. So you can see there is no any repost button, but here's the repost button available in all of posters. So what's that mean? That if your repost button is not available for some specific posts, it might be that the post has disabled reposting button. So you have to make sure that you're not any private account. If you are seeing the post of any private account, so it might be that the repost button will not be available, or if our sender have disabled this repost button, so you cannot get it here. So in this way you can easily fix if your Instagram repost button is missing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.